Okay, how's everybody doing? Today I will talk and I will start with Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't know if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, and I will talk about the US dollar, and I will take a look on actually I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify new trades and setups after the US economic data, high impact events, mixed economic data, the non-farm employment change, better than expected unemployment rate, but unexpected growth point 3.7 to 3.9% average hourly earnings, only a 0.1% growth versus 0.2 expected. So yeah, I will come back and I will take a look on the economic calendar. We'll talk about fundamentals, technical analysis. I will take a look on all markets. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, guys. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, so please read it. So I will start with Bitcoin. I don't know if you remember. Let's take a look on last Friday, guys. I believe that I've talked about, or no, actually on Thursday I've talked about Bitcoin in my previous webinar, and I've said that the bias is still bullish, and the price was here above 61,053. I've said that it has reached the third warning line, sideways movement, and you can see that here we had an aggressive breakout, upside continuation retest, only false breakdown and great separation, and right now yeah, Bitcoin is strongly bullish and is almost to hit new all-time highs probably today. Yeah, it's strongly bullish right now. It challenges the historical, actually, yeah, it has printed new all-time highs here on Tuesday, 69,210. Right now it's strongly bullish, and it could maybe it could take out that former historical high, 69,000, guys, right? And this strong rally, this strong upwards movement here forced the altcoins to increase as well. Okay, to jump higher as well. Please take a look here. Yeah, strong upwards movement after taking out here. Here we had this breakout above the 50% retracement level, and this candle here, this pin bar, yeah, signaled the strong upside pressure, strong buyers. Here it has retested the medium line, and then boom. Okay, and right now it could take out the 69,000 psychological level, and to print new highs. I don't know if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, but yeah, personally, yeah, I use this correlation, guys, between Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. When the price of Bitcoin grows, yeah, the altcoins could jump higher as well. So let's take a look, and let's start with the dollar index. If you have questions, guys, I'm waiting for your messages, right? I'm waiting for your messages, and yeah, a deeper drop, strong sell-off right after the economic data. Unfortunately, because this is the thing, yeah, unfortunately the unemployment rate increased from 3.7 to 3.9. This was really bad on the short term on the US dollar. This was sorry, for the US dollar it was really bad in the short term. That's why also gold and silver rallied in the short term for a while, but I'll delete my drawings. It has rallied, but after such an impressive upwards movement, personally I still believe that we'll have a potential correction on gold and on silver. Yeah, and only because personally I'm expecting the US dollar to appreciate in the short term, despite some maybe negative economic data, because the dollar index is oversold. Also here on silver, yeah, a potential breakdown retest could bring us potential shorts. I don't know if I will be able to place a trade on silver. I've told you also in my in my video, daily video analysis, when I've talked about silver, only because yeah, for now I'm using maybe a risk around 0.50%, and yeah, if I will have to, I don't know, to hide my stop loss above that former high, if I will use a larger stop loss, then yeah, my risk, it would be far above 0.50% of my trading account. So no, but as I've said, gold and silver could still drop. Yeah, could, and personally I will try to catch a corrective phase maybe on gold, right? And about the DXY, the dollar index, as I've said, maybe is yeah, is oversold after this impressive downside movement, right? And despite and even if the US unemployment rate and average hourly earnings came in worse than expected, maybe the dollar index could still develop a rebound, potential rebound, leg higher and swing higher. And also about gold and silver, yeah, a strong rally in the short term, but only because the unemployment rate and average hourly earnings came in worse than expected. Because if the average hourly earnings and unemployment rate, it would have, the indicators would have come in line with expectations or better than expected, a potential drop here, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, higher increase, then most likely the price of gold, it would have the price of gold and silver would have crashed. Okay, so this was only a reaction after the economic data. Okay, only a short-term reaction. Okay, so DXY, and I will talk about the Japanese yen as well. Japanese yen basket. Let's take a look about the Japanese yen. Yeah, it remains to see if this represented or if the yen basket comes back below the medium line here to retest it to signal a potential downside movement and deeper drop, then I will look for Japanese yen shorts. Okay, but right now, despite this minor drop, the Japanese yen is still bullish. Okay, I don't know if I have something really good. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Probably I'll have to wait for that confirmation, yeah, because I've told you that the Japanese yen is still bullish. Is still bullish. If you have questions, guys, let's have a conversation here. British pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, it has reached the demand zone, retests. Right now it's too late because it challenges a supply zone. Yeah, Euro Japanese yen. Yeah. Sideways movement, rally, retest, and right now maybe it seems that the Euro Japanese yen already confirmed and signaled the potential bullish momentum. Okay, potential rally in the short term, but no, I don't want to go at market right now. Yeah, probably I've missed an opportunity here, but yeah, also here we had the false breakdown of great separation, sharp movements in both directions, retest, breakout. Yeah, but maybe I will still have an opportunity. Personally, I'm looking for actually I will try to go long on USD CAD, because I've talked about that market earlier today in my daily video analysis. USD CAD. Okay, and I've said that the US economic data should be decisive. Yeah, Also the Canadian economic data, the Canadian unemployment rate of 5.8 as expected. It has remained at 5.8%. Employment change better than expected. Yen basket. Yen basket. Yeah, probably after this sideways movement, a sell-off, a new. Personally, I would like to see here a new retest before going down. Okay, this is my scenario here in on the Japanese yen basket, because it has signaled maybe on overbought here as well after failing to take out the weekly R2 here, after failing once again to stay above the medium line. But maybe a test retest could bring us potential Japanese yen shorts. Okay, and if I'll have maybe a new retest here on Euro Japanese yen, yeah, in the short term, I will look for longs. Okay, USD Japanese yen I've talked about. Also, I will talk about US equities as well. Okay, US equities as well. US dollar Japanese yen, false breakdown, great separation below the lower medium line here. Yeah. Okay, USD CAD, because I've talked about USD CAD. Yeah. Right now it continues to challenge that that supply zone. And after this strong rally, yeah, it could retreat again a little. Hi, does your algo bot buys and sells both on your behalf automatically? So about the algo trading bot, okay, you can one moment, learn to trade. I will send you a link, yeah, if you want more details about the crypto trading bot. So for now, the algo bot, or actually we have yeah, so I've sent that link, crypto trading bot, if you want to read more details about this crypto trading bot, or actually algo trading bot. And yeah, the algorithm, the learn to trade algo sends trades, yeah, long positions, short positions, yeah, with stop loss entry, also with 3 take profit targets, yeah. So if you want to know more details, you can also send an email to support, guys. Support, yeah, learn to trade. Yeah, thank you, guys. One moment, about USD CAD, because I've talked about it. So sharp movements in both directions, a deeper drop here, only false breakdown. Yeah, I will hide this this setup for now. Yeah. And right now, yeah, we have here, guys, we have here the former high of 1.3469. Yeah, as resistance. And in the short term, maybe I would like to see a new retest before developing upon an upside movement, an upwards movement. Yeah, here on USD CAD, I've talked about USD CAD 1.3430. Yeah, as downside obstacle. downside obstacle. Yeah, and I've talked about a potential bullish reversal because I've said that the dollar index seems oversold. Unfortunately, guys, average hourly earnings and unemployment rate came in worse than expected. We had this false breakdown. That's why in the short term, as long as it stays below 1.3469, maybe it could retreat a little again to test retest before attracting more bullish energy before really really developing a swing higher upwards movement. Okay, yeah, because right now I still need also that confirmation on the DXY before looking for longs. Yeah, or a retreat here could bring us potential longs, or if it takes out maybe that former high retreat, and then right, maybe this will be a quick session. It's Friday, and if I don't have something really good, no, I don't want to trade. I'll wait for new high probability setups before going long or short. Yeah. No, I don't want to do anything here. USD CAD, so USD Swiss franc, sorry. $1 US dollar. Yeah, unfortunately we had this this candle, but also was $1 US dollar. We cannot exclude the potential correction and drop, but as I've said, maybe USD CAD will be my next trade. Maybe USD CAD. USD CAD. USD Singapore dollar after that massive drop. But we'll still have to wait, because I've said, guys, here about the DXY. It's premature, yeah. It's premature to talk about a new leg higher and swing higher after mixed economic data. Mexican peso. US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Still bearish, yeah, still under strong downside pressure, as the dollar index is under strong downside pressure. No, US dollar South African rand. Yeah, that breakout. So I will I will decide between US dollar, Canadian dollar, and the US dollar versus the South African rand, and I will choose one market. Yeah. Right now, this pin bar, yeah, and which it was confirmed retest before trying to jump higher. Yeah, I will decide if I will decide to go long on the US dollar versus the South African rand, or on the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Yeah, and you will have my trade into the VIP group, guys. my trade management. But yeah, after this rally, maybe a retreat before jumping higher. USD South African Rand, guys. I will keep an eye on these two markets, and I will place a trade. Yeah, maybe later on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, or US dollar, South African Rand. I'll have to decide. Okay, US equities. You will have my trade into the VIP group. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. But I will have to choose the best setup. US 30. US 30. No, I don't want to do anything here. US 500. US 500, yeah. It has extended its growth. The bias is still bullish, as the US dollar is still bearish. I'm using this correlation, intermarket correlation, guys. When the US dollar depreciates, the US equities should jump higher. Yeah. One moment. And sorry about that. And when the US dollar is bullish, then the US equities could drop. Okay. So for now, the DXY is bearish, is still bearish. Maybe only temporary rebounds in the short term. The downside pressure is still high. Yeah. If you have questions, guys, because if you don't have questions, I will end this webinar here. US oil and Ethereum. US oil and Ethereum. Gold. I talked about gold, but I will take a look again. Thank you. And what about gold? Are you long? Are you short? You want to buy? You want to sell? Your levels, your time frame? Yeah. Please, guys. Because maybe gold is bullish, yeah, on long term, but maybe on short term we can catch a correction. Yeah. Potential correction. US oil, guys, it has failed once again to take out the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Right now I've drawn, what do you think about gold? I will take a look on gold. I've talked about gold, and I said that we had only a short-term reaction because, yeah, after mixed the US economic data. But I've said that maybe personally I will try to catch a corrective phase. About US oil, please take a look here. So it has failed once again, only false breakouts above the medium line, this line here. Test retest right now, false breakouts above the upper medium line of the minor descending pitchfork. Probably I will try maybe to catch a potential drop and sell off here in US oil, but right now it's premature. Sideways movement, extended sideways movement. Okay, extended sideways movement. Don't forget to like the video, guys. So about gold, it's still bullish. Okay, it's still bullish as the DXY is bearish. I'm using this intermarket correlation. Yeah, only a retest. On longing US oil with confirmation on the reversal in DXY. personally, I'm not using a correlation between the DXY and US oil. Okay, and yeah, well, yeah, when maybe maybe when the US dollar when the US dollar jumps higher, when the US dollar is bullish, maybe the price of oil could drop a little, and when the US dollar is bearish, maybe the price of oil could jump higher, short term maybe, right? But no, I'm not using a correlation between the DXY and the US oil. Okay. I'm not using an intermarket correlation to trade. Yeah, maybe maybe guys, if the US because I've talked about the US dollar Canadian dollar, okay, US dollar Canadian dollar, because I've talked about the US dollar Canadian dollar, and if we'll have that leg higher, swing higher rally, then maybe the price of oil could drop. Okay. But yeah, we'll still have to wait. About gold, as I've said, yeah, after this impressive upwards movement, maybe it could still it will try to approach and reach this new all-time high here on gold. Yeah, because yeah, 1 month. Yeah. On an all-time high in gold. And as I've said, after this impressive upwards movement, personally I will still try to catch up a correction, but maybe only a new lower low, retest or something like this, a bearish pattern. We need a strong bearish pattern because right now the bias is still bullish, and only that confirmation on the DXY. If the DXY, the dollar index, signals a potential new leg higher, swing higher on the DXY, because it's oversold, then maybe I will look for potential shorts on gold. But right now it's still bullish. Okay. Okay. I will come back with my trade on US dollar Canadian dollar or US oil or US dollar South African rand, Ethereum, guys. Also here, upside continuation. Please take a look here on Ethereum. The same move like on the price of Bitcoin. After that rally, retest, retreat before extending its growth, before jumping higher. I've talked about that correlation. Yeah, I've talked about this correlation. Please take a look here. Sell off and then boom. Yeah, a new all-time high, guys. Please take a look. Yeah, 70,184, guys. But it remains to see if the price of Bitcoin will be able to take out the 69,000 psychological level and to extend its growth. Yeah, because that all-time high represents a key upside obstacle, static resistance. Yeah, it remains to see, guys. It remains to see if the price will be able to take it out, to close above it, and to extend its growth. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I will come back with a new potential, with new trades. Yeah. With new trades. Okay, so have a great weekend, guys. I will come back with my new setups. Yeah, US oil. Yeah. US dollar South African rand. Or USD CAD. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. I will come back with my with new setups, with my trades into the VIP group. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye bye.